Hello, dear students. Welcome you all in the wonderful world of the homeopathic pharmacy. My name is Dr. Bhakti Khisti. Today, I am going to explain you about the third process of preparation of homeopathic medicines by old method, and that is the trituration. In last two lecture, we had already studied about the mother tincture and mother solution. The mother tincture includes class 1 to class 4. It is denoted as sin theta. Then mother solution include class 5 and class 6. It is denoted as sin theta solution. Then in this lecture we are going to study about the mother substance or trituration. It include class 7 to class 9. It is denoted as O. Then about the definition. The definition of mother substances. It is a drug pharmaceutically prepared from the drug substances of any source insoluble in liquid vehicle as the strongest solid solvent by the process of trituration with sugar of milk. The different classes under mother substance. Class 7, it includes dry insoluble substances. The dry insoluble substances means those dry substances which is unable to dissolve in purified water also and strong alcohol also. Then next class 8, it includes the liquid insoluble substances, and class 9 includes the fresh vegetable and animal substances. Then about the trituration. Now what is trituration? We all know that trituration is ideal method of physical mathematical process of potentization by which we prepare the homeopathic medicines. The whole process of trituration includes complete 1 hour. Okay, by we use the sugar of milk, we use mortar and pestle, clean mortar and pestle for the trituration, and you all know in detail about the process of trituration. While preparing mother substances, we use the process of trituration. Okay, are you getting me? Then about the class 7. See, class 7. The fundamental of class 7 includes in homeopathic materia medica pura, in the drug arsenic. I'm sorry, it is materia medica pura. By mistake it is written as HMM, but it is materia medica pura. It mentioned the drug arsenicum. Then class 7, this includes those dry medicinal substances which in their crude state are neither soluble in purified water nor in alcohol. About the principle, 1 part by weight of medicinal substance to 99 part or 9 part by weight of sugar of milk according to the scale which you want to prepare. If you want to prepare centesimal scale, then you take 99 parts of sugar of milk. If you want to take the 9 parts of sugar of milk, then it is useful to prepare the decimal scale. Then about the requirement, it required crude drug substance in required amount and required amount of sugar of milk. Appliances on clean unglazed porcelain mortar and pestle, 1 clean horse spatula, an empty clean file of required size, a stop clock or a watch, a freshly marked new velvet cork, label paper, paste, scissor, gum, balance with weight box. Then about the procedure. See, we have to prepare the drug substance, so directly we are going to do the process of trituration. So while preparing in the centesimal scale, we take 1 part by weight of the medicinal substance to 99 part by weight of sugar of milk gives the first trituration. All following trituration are prepared by 1 grain of preceding trituration and 99 grain of sugar of milk. Then if you want to prepare in decimal scale, 1 part by weight of the medicinal substance to 9 part by weight of sugar of milk gives the first trituration. All following trituration are prepared with the grain of preceding trituration to 9 grain of sugar of milk. See, the process is very easy. If you want to prepare in the centesimal scale, you have to take 1 part of drug substance and 99 part of the sugar of milk. आपको 1 part drug substance का लेना है, 99 part sugar of milk लेना है. उसको पूरा जो 1 hour का प्रोसेस है, विच इज़ अगेन डिवाइडेड इन 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. ओके, सो टू फॉलो उस पूरी प्रोसेस को आपको फॉलो करना है. पूरा 1 घंटे तक आपको ट्राइचुरेशन करना है. ये जो है आपको देगा 1C पोटेंसी. आपको अगर 2C पोटेंसी बनानी है देन 1 part ऑफ 1C पोटेंसी एंड 99 part ऑफ शुगर ऑफ मिल्क लेकर फिर से 1 घंटा आपको उसको ट्राइचुरेट करना है, तो आपको जो है 2C पोटेंसी मिलेगी. सेम फॉर द डेसिमल स्केल. आपको अगर आप जब डेसिमल स्केल प्रिपेयर करते हो, 1 part ऑफ ड्रग सब्सटेंस लेना है, 9 part ऑफ शुगर ऑफ मिल्क लेना है. उसको पूरा 1 घंटे का जो ट्राइचुरेशन का प्रोसेस है वो कंप्लीट करना है, तो आपको है 1x पोटेंसी मिलेंगी. आपको 2x पोटेंसी बनाना है, 1 part ऑफ 1x पोटेंसी लेना है और 99 parts ऑफ शुगर ऑफ मिल्क लेना है. उसको फिर से 1 घंटा जो है आपको पूरा ट्राइचुरेशन करना है, तो आपको जो है नेक्स्ट पोटेंसी जो है 2x पोटेंसी वो मिलेगी. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. देन द नेक्स्ट थिंग is about the conversion of trituration into liquid potency. देखो हम जो बना रहे हैं मदर सब्सटेंस, it is in the powder form, it is in the solid form. So we have to convert this trituration into the liquid potency. So in the centesimal scale, the 1 gram of third trituration dissolve in 50 minims of purified water and mixed with 50 minim of alcohol gives the fourth potency. Okay, and in decimal scale, 1 grain of 6x trituration dissolve in 50 minims of purified water and then mixed with 50 minims of alcohol gives you directly 8x potency. सी स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ वेरी इजी. आपको जो ट्राइचुरेशन है उसको लिक्विड पोटेंसी में कन्वर्ट करना है. ओके, सो वाइल यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग सेंटिसिमल स्केल, ओके, 1 grain ऑफ 1 part ऑफ द थर्ड ट्राइचुरेशन. ओके, 1 part आपको लेना है थर्ड ट्राइचुरेशन से वाइल प्रिपेयरिंग सेंटिसिमल स्केल. देन ऐड 50 minims ऑफ प्यूरिफाइड वाटर एंड 50 minims ऑफ अल्कोहल. ओके, और देन यू प्रिपेयर योर 4C potency. Okay, and while preparing decimal scale, what you have to do, take triturate up to the 6x potency. Okay, then take 1 part of 6x potency. 1 part 6x potency का लेना है, उसमें 50 minims आपको अल्कोहल ऐड करने हैं, 50 minims आपको प्यूरिफाइड वाटर ऐड करना है, और ये आपको डायरेक्टली देगा 8x potency. ओके, फॉर सेंटिसिमल पोटेंसी थर्ड ट्राइचुरेशन से आपको पार्ट मेडिसिनल सब्सटेंस लेना है और वो आपको लिक्विड पोटेंसी देगा 4C. ओके, यू आर कन्वर्टिंग 3C to 4C. बट इन केस ऑफ डेसिमल स्केल 6C आपको डायरेक्टली देगा 6x आपको डायरेक्टली देगा 8x पोटेंसी. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग मी? इट इज़ वेरी इजी, but only the difference is that in case of centesimal scale we take the 3C potency, and while preparing the decimal scale we take 6x potency. Okay, and then we convert it into the liquid potency. Then the example from vegetable kingdom, opium, sarsaparilla, and from the animal kingdom it is sepia. Okay, it is very easy. See, process of conversion of trituration into liquid potency is same in all three groups, that is 7, 8 and 9. Then next is the class 8. The fundamental rule for this class has been described in chronic diseases under the drug petroleum. The principal requirement, procedure, conversion of trituration into liquid potency is same as class 7. Okay, principal 1/9 if you want to prepare decimal scale, and 1/99 if you want to prepare the centesimal scale. Okay, same requirement is also same, procedure, conversion of trituration into liquid potency, everything is just like class 7. Example, from the vegetable sources, croton tig, Myristica sebifera, and from the nosode it is lysine, vaccinum. From the mineral kingdom, petroleum. Only one difference is there in procedure for class 8, and that is, while you start the process of trituration in the decimal scale, you are not going to divide the sugar of milk in 3 parts. You divide the part in 3 3 3. Okay, but in the class 8 you are not going to divide it, you are directly going to take the 9 part of sugar of milk directly in the mortar and pestle, because class 7 includes the oily substances. If you take the whole quantity of sugar of milk, that is 9 part, so it prevents the sticking of medicinal substance to that mortar and pestle. Okay, so in class 8 you have to take or required quantity of sugar of milk in the mortar and pestle, and then the required quantity of medicine or drug substance you have to pour over it, and then you follow the 1 hour process of the trituration. Okay, this is the only a small difference in the procedure. Then about class 9. The fundamental rule for this class has been discussed in the chronic diseases under the drug agaricus. Principle, a 2 part by weight of medicinal substances to 99 part or 9 part by weight of sugar of milk gives the first trituration. If you want to prepare in centesimal scale, then you took the 99 part of sugar of milk. If you want to prepare in decimal scale, then you have to take the 9 part of sugar of milk. The requirement, procedure, conversion of trituration into liquid potency is same as class 7. Okay, the all requirement, appliances, instrument which you require, it is just like class 7. The procedure is also same as class 7, and the conversion of trituration into liquid potency in centesimal scale or in decimal scale, all the procedure is same as class 7. Okay, now the example, the vegetable source, from vegetable source the example is solanum. From animal source, the Vulpes pulmo and Blatta orientalis, and from the nosode it is Syphilinum. This is all about mother substance. I had explained you about class 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and here the everything related to old method is finished. Okay, see students, remember one thing, to prepare the mother tincture and mother solution we generally use a strong alcohol. Okay, while dispensing the medicine or while preparing the succeeding potency, we use dilute alcohol, dispensing alcohol, or sometimes we use the purified water. At the last page of the textbook, there is one big table is given which mention everything about every class. Okay, you can follow that table also, you can follow the table which I given you. Okay, so this is all about the preparation of homeopathic medicines by the old method. I hope you are following my table and you are getting me very well. Thank you very much. Bye.